In today's video, I'll be showing you how to adjust the zoom settings in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself squinting at small text or struggling to read your messages, this quick guide is perfect for you. Adjusting your zoom level can make emails easier on the eyes and more comfortable to read. And the best part is, it only takes a few seconds. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to gmail.com. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in, and you'll be taken straight to your inbox. Now, let's talk about zooming in. If the text on your screen appears too small, simply press and hold the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac. While holding that key, tap the plus key. You'll notice everything on the page. Text, icons, and images become larger. If you need it even bigger, just tap the plus key again until you reach a comfortable size. Accidentally magnified too far? No problem. To zoom back out, hold the Control or Command key again, but this time press the minus key. Each press will gradually reduce the zoom level, making your screen less crowded and restoring space. These zoom shortcuts are especially useful if you switch between different screen sizes, like a small laptop display and a large external monitor. And keep in mind, these shortcuts aren't exclusive to Gmail. They work across virtually all websites in your browser. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of keyboard presses, you can instantly customize how Gmail appears on your screen. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer, more comfortable emailing experience.